Hello everyone. Today is a bit Christmas because I just received a new Tamiya car and it's a very important one. It's the Tamiya Tc-01 shaft-driven chassis. It's a four-wheel drive car, but what makes it special is that it features a Formula E body shell. I just started assembling the car and there's a few things I would like to show you because it's a really interesting car. Besides the body, which is absolutely beautiful, but we'll come back to it later. So I just started assembly of the main chassis, and as always with Tamiya, you've got some options you can put on the car. So I put the M07 rear suspension blocks in, and in the front they are the original ones, so just plastic parts. But what amazes me is just the sheer quality of the Tamiya molding. You see, it's a sturdy chassis, but there's virtually zero play in the arms, not in the front arms, and zero play in the rear arms with the aluminium parts I mounted. So this is just the start of the assembly, but I'm sure it will be a great car. Another thing I discovered is that Tamiya delivered together with the car a Spur Gear which is quite small, and you can also only get the 6.25 drive ratio or so. So what I did, I took the 90T Spur Gear from the Tamiya TB Evo 3. I think it's part number 5978. It has a 90T and a 96T. It goes on there perfectly, and I put a 45 pinion, and this gives you a gear ratio of 5.0, which in my opinion would be perfect for this car. The motor I used is a 15.5 Tamiya motor. You also see there's a cover that goes over there, and the fit is just perfect, sheer Tamiya quality. What frightens me a bit is this part. This is the Lexan body shell. It should look like this, but I'm not so good at it. If you look at the car, it's really crazy how they made such a lovely and exact copy of the Formula E car just by using Lexan. So there's many parts. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And then you've got also the mirrors, the driver, and the decal sheet. So this will take me a lot of time to finish. Another neat part is the rear diffuser, which is absolutely gorgeous looking. So I'm gonna continue building this car. There will be some updates for the RC racers, so please continue watching, and I hope to finish it in a couple of days. Thank you very much. Bye.